firstly, a big round of congratulations to Startup India, DPIIT, and Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I think in the last close to 9 to 10 years, what's happened to the startup ecosystem in India is remarkable, and they've put us on the global map.
With Startup India initiative completing 9 years, I would like to firstly congratulate as well as thank the Prime Minister for his amazing vision, the PMO office, as well as DPIIT for this amazing mission that they started. And I do see that how startups are coming through for the country and are playing an important role in the development of the economy.
I think it's great to have this Startup India movement that was launched 9 years ago, 2016. And, thanks to the interventions that they had, the ease of doing business that has started to come in has really catapulted Indian startups to the next league.
Startup India completing 9 years is a big milestone. I think the DPIIT and the PMO, I think play a critical role in pushing the entire ecosystem forward. It's very exciting. I think it's a great time for us, especially with the vision in front of us in terms of Viksit Bharat. I think startups have a great role to play looking forward.
Startup India completing 9 years is an amazing achievement. I think the vision that the government had, the PM, the PMO, and the other organizations, that has now come to life, and it is now reaching a place where the entire economy, the various consumers and citizens will now get benefited from that.
A lot of things has been done to ease business in India, and especially for the startups. The various schemes DPIIT has launched has really helped the startups, especially the seed fund scheme and recognition of startups. I must say this is a great initiative and something that will go a long way in building a startup culture in the country.
We're super grateful for the PMO to start that. There was a lot of awareness in our college. I come from IIT Roorkee. So because of it, we got to know about how you can also be entrepreneurial and start your startup journey early. So super grateful for that.
I wanted to congratulate the Prime Minister and the Startup India initiative for 9 years of success. I think the story of Indian startups and how Startup India has helped them is not just about the statistics, but it's more about the spirit of entrepreneurship, which started from the larger cities of India, which has now moved to tier 1, tier 2 and smaller cities as well.
We've just seen the growth of startups in this country tremendously, and it's only going to continue to grow. So really looking forward to what more Startup India has in store for us.
Startup India completing 9 years has been outstanding success, and I would like to formally thank Honorable PM Modi, Piyush Goyal ji sir, and DPIIT initiatives which really made it work in the last 9 years.
Congratulations Prime Minister Modi on 9 years of National Startup Day. It's great to see so many startups now booming in the country. As India gets into the next level of global economy, it's great to build a company from India for India and participate in the export-import flows.
I really want to thank our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and DPIIT for the Startup India initiative. Seeing the startup ecosystem transforming into a global powerhouse, we have close to 100,000 startups now in India, hundreds of unicorns, all together contributing and making a meaningful impact to the economy, as well as creating jobs and creating a large-scale impact. It's a brilliant time to build out of India.
In the 9th year of Startup India, and the amount of arrangements the government has done here, and the outreach by bureaucrats, by ministers, I'd like to really appreciate the efforts taken by the government. That to me is very encouraging. So, ये सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि गवर्नमेंट हमें फुल्ली सपोर्ट करती है, हमारी जो बाधाएं हैं वो सामने उनको हटाना चाहती है, and they're very, very receptive to our feedback. So, I'd like to again thank the Modi government and, all the bureaucrats who've made this 9th year of Startup India as a success.